I want to show you guys how this works and operates. You can tell it's in my home gym at the moment, and I really, really like it. There is one thing that I actually really dislike. It's not that bad because I don't really take it in and out often, but it might be actually a deal breaker for you. So just take this into consideration. And then I did kind of tweak it around to kind of give you an idea of like what I do to kind of manage it. But in this case, you can see right here, it's seated down, and you could obviously adjust it based off how you guys want to use and operate it. Super sturdy. Like you can tell right here, it kind of like wobbles like right there when you go side to side. But when I'm actually using it, doesn't feel bad at all in my opinion. You have a push pin right here, so you can push to lift or lower. So you can see that right there. So you could adjust however you want. Clicks in. You could lock it. I don't lock it, but you can if you want. And it's super nice. Fits into 1-inch holes without an issue. Here's the downside. It requires this nut right here, and it's threaded through. So you see that long bolt goes through right here. I honestly wish what they did is they use the bolts and then you just have a locking pin. Something similar to this. But I understand because you want stability, and you wouldn't get stability if you had a locking pin. It would wiggle a lot more. So you can see right here, I actually did not tighten it I didn't tighten it down a lot. So that's something to kind of like take note. Let me show you guys. So all you have to do is get like an adjustable wrench. Make sure it's actually large enough. And then you just tighten it down. So let me give you an idea on once you have it tightened down. Because what I personally do is I just want it to be good enough, right? So look at that. Look at that. Once you have it tight, it will not move. That is insane. That's why it's like super, super sturdy. I understand why they did this. It's just inconvenient. It's not like let me just pull it in, use it, and then remove it. I guess you can. It doesn't take that long to actually do this, but that's just something to kind of consider. But what I honestly do is because I don't lift like crazy heavy, so it's really gonna depend on you. But I just have it hand tight. So that's all I do. I just have it hand tight, just hard it enough to be able to actually use this. So let me just show you guys. Let me pull back, show you guys right here. I have this LAT pull down, and then right here, like look, it's just stable. Pull this down, locks in, and then just look, boom. Like super stable. Like it doesn't wiggle. Like even though it's not tightened down all the way, it doesn't wiggle when I'm using it. Like it wiggles like this. But when I'm actually using it, it doesn't wiggle. Like it feels very secure. However, if you are skeptical and you want that security, just tighten it down. So that's just something to kind of take note. Build quality feels really, really good. Cushion is nice and plumptious. Like it's thick. You have this right here. It's like, dude, I am so surprised with this. I highly, highly recommend it. So far, no issues at all.